Crowd killer. Crowd killer? That should be your new plate, Eddie. Car killer. Oh, we got the M4 behind. We got C63, M6, Z06, long hat. What's up, Alex? Who do you think is gonna win? M4, McLaren, Mustang. Ooh.
Wet roads.
On wet roads. Ooh. $5 says Mustang crash.
I don't wanna get hit.
Oh, that's so mean. Oh my God. What's up, Alex?
I know.
Yeah. Just chill. Oh shit.
Oh, just spinning through all three.
It was 1, 2, 3, and I was like, oh, okay. Now that's how you do it like a pro, guys. You know, you got to shift back and forth. You know, go like, tip it. M4 was on you for a second.
Yeah.
I think the M4 started spinning too. Oh, that was hilarious. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. Damn. That was fun.
I think this guy right next to you is a little pissed off though. This guy next to you is pissed off.
Is he looking over?
Yeah, look, I'll get a video of him right here.
What? Can you even look and see?
No, I can't see you.
Can't?
Mad dad in the minivan.
Oh my God. Oh shit, your rear end almost kicked out, right? Did you feel it?
What's that?
Your rear end almost like, eh.
My buddy right here in this window washing.
Oh, right here?
Over here, yeah.
Scare him, fly by him. Ooh. Oh my God, that was hilarious. He's like, what are you doing? Probably didn't see you, huh? Oh my God. And that's how you do it, guys. Driving with this guy. Oh, low life. Oh, Jesus. Ah. Oh, that was too fun. Ooh. Woo! And that's the end, guys. That's the end.
Sorry.
Oh my God.